Facebook Ads for Disability Insurance 2023, Step-by-Step Tutorial Updated. Learn how to create highly effective Facebook ads specifically tailored for disability insurance agents and agency owners in this comprehensive step-by-step tutorial. By implementing the strategies outlined in this video, you'll be able to drive substantial traffic and close more dental and mechanical sales. It's crucial to pay attention to every detail, as Facebook's advertising landscape for disability insurance has evolved significantly in recent times. Skipping any part of this tutorial could put your ad at risk of being disabled or result in a complete block of your Facebook ad account. Throughout this tutorial, I will break down the key changes that have occurred in the past year, providing you with concise and easy-to-follow instructions. By the end of the video, you'll have a fully optimized ad ready to attract leads within 24 hours. It's my aim to ensure your success, so make sure not to miss a single second of this tutorial. I want to share an important update before we dive into the tutorial. If you'd rather not spend money on Facebook ads or if it seems too complicated, I have an exciting solution for you. Click the link in the comments below to book a call with our team. During the call, we'll provide a personalized demo of our game-changing software. For just $99 per month, our software brings in leads 24/7 without spending a dime on Facebook ads. Over 10,000 local brick-and-mortar business owners have found it to be indispensable when it comes to generating new referrals and bringing in more dental and mechanical sales. Anyways, click that link in the comments and book your demo with my partner Nick, and you can see more. Now, on to today's tutorial. Now, without further ado, let's explore step-by-step how to create a highly effective Facebook ad specifically designed for disability insurance agents and agency owners. This ad is not only geared towards attracting customers but also generating leads for your business. It's a creative approach that has proven successful in acquiring a significant number of leads from individuals in need of disability insurance coverage. Follow along with me as I share my screen and guide you through this transformative journey. Remember, running a successful ad campaign can make a substantial difference for your business, so let's get started and unlock the power of Facebook advertising for your disability insurance agency. Access Facebook Ads Manager. On the left-hand side of your Facebook page, locate and click on Ads Manager. If you don't see it there, click on See More and scroll down until you find it. If you haven't set up your business manager for running ads previously, you'll need to do that first. Create a new campaign. In the Facebook Ads Manager, click on Create Campaign. We'll focus on lead generation to ensure we generate quality leads that will lead to closed dental and mechanical sales. Select Manual Leads Campaign. Facebook offers streamlined and tailored best practice lead recommendations, but for more control and better results, we'll choose the Manual Leads Campaign option. This allows us to have maximum control over our lead generation campaign. Name your campaign. It's important to name your campaign appropriately for easy tracking and analysis. Let's use the example of disability insurance leads, start date. Naming your campaign accurately will help you keep track of its performance and avoid confusion when analyzing data. Set campaign parameters. Now, let's move on to setting the campaign parameters. You'll need to define your target audience, budget, and ad creative. Make sure to specify your target location and demographics relevant to your disability insurance agency's target market. Craft engaging ad creative. Create compelling ad content that highlights the benefits and unique selling points of your disability insurance coverage. Use high-quality visuals and compelling copy to grab the attention of potential customers. Test and optimize. Once your campaign is live, monitor its performance closely. Analyze the data provided by Facebook Ads Manager and make necessary adjustments to optimize your campaign. This may involve tweaking targeting parameters, ad creative, or budget allocation. Track leads and close deals. As leads start coming in, track their progress and engage with potential customers promptly. Provide excellent customer service, answer inquiries, and nurture leads to convert them into closed dental and mechanical sales. Measure results and refine strategies. Continuously monitor the performance of your Facebook ads and track the number of leads generated and the conversion rate. Use this data to refine your strategies and improve your future campaigns. Experiment with different ad variations, audience targeting, and messaging to find the most effective approach for your disability insurance agency. Stay up to date with Facebook's advertising policies. Facebook's advertising policies and guidelines are subject to change, so it's important to stay informed and ensure compliance. Regularly review the policies and make any necessary adjustments to your ads to avoid potential issues or account suspension. Utilize retargeting. Implement retargeting strategies to reach out to potential customers who have already shown interest in your disability insurance services. Set up custom audiences based on website visitors or engagement with your ads, and create tailored ads to re-engage and convert those leads. Leverage lookalike audiences. Take advantage of Facebook's lookalike audience feature to expand your reach and find new prospects who share similar characteristics with your existing customers. This can help you reach a broader audience and increase the chances of acquiring high-quality leads. Continuously test and optimize. Testing is key to improving your Facebook ads performance. Conduct A/B tests to compare different ad elements, such as headlines, images, and call-to-action buttons. Use the insights gained from these tests to optimize your campaigns and maximize their effectiveness. Monitor and adjust your budget. Keep a close eye on your ad spend and the results it generates. Adjust your budget allocation based on the performance of different campaigns and ad sets. Allocate more budget to the ones that are driving significant results and consider reducing or pausing the ones that aren't performing as expected. Stay engaged with your audience. Actively engage with your audience through comments, messages, and inquiries. Provide helpful information, address concerns, and establish a positive relationship with potential customers. This can contribute to building trust and increasing the likelihood of converting leads into sales. Incorporate landing pages. Create dedicated landing pages that align with your Facebook ads messaging and offer a seamless user experience. Optimize these landing pages to capture leads information and provide relevant details about your disability insurance services. Test different layouts, copy, and form fields to improve conversion rates. By following these steps and implementing effective Facebook advertising strategies, you can drive more dental and mechanical sales for your disability insurance agency. Remember to stay proactive, adapt to changes in the advertising landscape, and continuously refine your campaigns for optimal results. Now we'll proceed with setting up the ad within the ad set. First, let's discuss the budget. In the example, it suggests a budget that can reach 6 to 25 leads per day based on the ad spend. However, it's important to note that even if Facebook shows 0 leads for a smaller budget like $10 per day, it doesn't mean you won't generate any leads. Sometimes Facebook's algorithm tries to encourage higher spending. I've personally seen leads generated with budgets as low as $5 per day. So don't be discouraged by the 0 leads indication. Moving on, let's name the ad. In this case, since we're focusing on generating leads for disability insurance agencies, you can use a name like Disability Insurance Leads, city name. Now, for the ad format, the tutorial suggests using a single image ad. However, I recommend considering other formats as well, such as carousel ads. Carousel ads allow you to showcase multiple images or products in a single ad, which can be beneficial for showcasing different coverage options or highlighting the benefits of your disability insurance agency. Be sure to tailor the carousel images and descriptions to attract the attention of your target audience. If you're more experienced with your market and confident in creating effective carousel ads, it can be a powerful option. Otherwise, let's focus on the single image ad format for simplicity. Next, let's proceed with creating the ad. Follow the steps provided in the tutorial to set up the single image ad. Finally, if you haven't connected your Instagram account yet, you can do so by following the instructions in the tutorial. While Instagram may not be as relevant for disability insurance agencies as it is for other industries, having the connection can still provide additional exposure for your business. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to launch your ad and start generating leads for your disability insurance agency. Remember to monitor the performance of your ads, make adjustments as needed, and analyze the data to optimize your campaigns. Keep in mind that the tutorial may have additional steps and details specific to the real estate industry. Adapt the information to suit your disability insurance agency's needs and objectives. At this stage of the tutorial, we suggest discarding the automatically pulled media by Facebook, as it may not be relevant to your business. Instead, you should add your own images that showcase your disability insurance agency and its services. To add your own images, follow the instructions provided in the tutorial. You can either select images that are already uploaded to your account or upload new ones. Choose high-quality images that represent the value and security of disability insurance. Consider using images that feature individuals with disabilities living confidently and engaging in everyday activities. These visuals will resonate with potential customers and demonstrate the importance of disability insurance. Once you've added and adjusted your images, click Next to proceed. Now, let's move on to crafting the text for your ad. Pay attention to the following key elements. Primary text. This is the text that will appear at the top of your ad. Write compelling copy that immediately captures the attention of individuals seeking disability insurance. Emphasize the peace of mind and financial protection that your agency offers. Highlight the key benefits of your policies, such as comprehensive coverage, flexible options, or personalized customer service. Headline. The headline appears below the primary text and should further entice viewers to engage with your ad. Consider using attention-grabbing phrases like secure your future with disability insurance or protect your income when life throws challenges. Call to action. CTA. Choose a CTA that prompts viewers to take action and connect with your agency. For disability insurance ads, CTAs like get a quote, request more information, or start protecting your income work well. Choose a CTA that aligns with the desired action you want potential customers to take. Encourage them to take the next step in securing their financial well-being. In addition to the primary text, headline, and CTA, consider using the ad's description to provide additional details about your disability insurance agency. Highlight your agency's experience, expertise, and any unique features that set you apart from competitors. Use concise and persuasive language to convey the value of your services. Once you've crafted the text for your ad, review it carefully for clarity, grammar, and spelling. Ensure that the message is compelling, concise, and easy to understand. Proofread the content multiple times to eliminate any errors or inconsistencies. After finalizing the text, preview your ad to see how it will appear to your audience. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure a visually appealing and cohesive presentation. Remember to adhere to Facebook's ad policies and guidelines throughout the entire process. Avoid any misleading claims, sensitive topics, or prohibited content. By following these guidelines, you can create an ad that resonates with your target audience and drives engagement for your disability insurance agency. Now, you're ready to launch your ad and start reaching potential customers who are in need of disability insurance coverage. Monitor the performance of your ads closely, make data-driven adjustments as needed, and continue optimizing your campaigns to maximize results. Stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in digital advertising, as the landscape is constantly evolving. By staying informed and adapting your strategies accordingly, you can position your disability insurance agency for success in the competitive online advertising space. After crafting your primary text, headline, and CTA, it's time to create a lead form. Lead forms allow users to provide their contact information directly within the Facebook platform, making it easier for them to express interest or request more information. Name the form to reflect its purpose, such as Auto Repair Shop Leads Contact Form. Follow the steps provided in the tutorial to set up your lead form, including selecting the fields you want to capture, example, name, phone number, vehicle make/model, adding a privacy policy link, and customizing the thank you screen users will see after submitting the form. Once you've created your lead form, you can save your progress and proceed to the next steps in the tutorial, which may include selecting the campaign objective, targeting your audience, and reviewing ad placement options. Remember to adapt the instructions to the context of your auto repair shop and modify any details as needed to suit your specific goals and preferences. Next, let's discuss some important considerations when setting up the lead form for your auto repair shop's Facebook ad campaign. In the tutorial, the presenter mentions some features that you don't need to worry about, such as customizing sections or telling your brand story through rich text visuals. These elements may not be necessary for your specific needs as an auto repair shop owner. Instead, let's focus on optimizing the lead form for higher intent and better lead quality. One strategy is to include a review step in the form, giving people the opportunity to confirm their information before submission. This extra step might increase the cost per lead slightly but can result in higher quality leads. By auto-populating the form with their Facebook information, you might get more volume but potentially lower lead quality due to outdated contact details. When deciding between more volume and higher intent, consider your budget and goals. If you have a flexible budget and prioritize lead quality, opt for higher intent where users need to confirm their information. On the other hand, if you're a new auto repair shop with a limited budget, you might choose more volume initially to generate as many leads as possible. Now, let's move on to the customization options for the lead form. Facebook allows you to use a custom image as the background for your form. It's recommended to use the same image or a consistent visual theme to establish brand consistency and build trust with potential customers. In terms of the headline for the lead form, you can use a variation such as, "Discover the top auto repair services that car owners in your location can't stop talking about." Keep the headline consistent with the overall message of your ad text for better alignment and clarity. Moving on to the questions in the lead form, it's generally advisable to include fields for the user's name, email, and phone number. The preferred order is full name, email, and then phone number, as this sequence tends to yield better results. To guide users, provide a brief description below the questions, such as, "Please submit your information, including your full name, email, and phone number, so we know where to send the custom list of auto repair services." Lastly, you need to include a privacy policy. To do this, navigate to your auto repair shop's website and locate the privacy policy page. Copy the URL of the privacy policy page and paste it into the designated field in the lead form settings. This ensures compliance with privacy laws and builds trust with users by assuring them that their information will be handled responsibly. By following these guidelines, you can optimize your lead form for generating high-quality leads for your auto repair shop. Remember to adapt the instructions to fit your specific business needs and ensure consistency throughout your ad campaign. Now, let's focus on the key elements specifically tailored for auto repair shop owners who want to generate more sales. Here's how you can optimize your lead form. Review screen. Implementing a review screen in your lead form allows potential customers to review their information before submitting it. This step ensures that their contact details, such as their name, email, and phone number, are correct. It's crucial for follow-up purposes and helps maintain accurate customer records. Message for leads. After customers submit their information, it's essential to provide a compelling message that encourages them to take action. Consider using a message like, "Thank you for choosing your auto repair shop name. Click below to get immediate access to exclusive offers and discounts on our auto repair services tailored to your needs." Call to action button. Customize the call to action button to match the action you want customers to take. For instance, you can use claim offers or get your discount now to create a sense of urgency and entice customers to engage further. Relevant link. Determine the appropriate link to include in your lead form. Ideally, it should direct customers to a page on your website that showcases exclusive offers, discounts, or a service menu. Make sure the page is optimized for conversions and clearly highlights the value you provide. Description. In the description section, emphasize the benefits customers will receive by submitting their information. For example, unlock exclusive offers and discounts on our top-notch auto repair services by submitting your information. Don't miss out on this opportunity to save on your next repair or maintenance service at your auto repair shop name. Contact information. To further facilitate customer inquiries and engagement, consider including your contact information in the message for leads. Encourage customers to reach out if they have any questions, need additional information, or want to schedule an appointment. Providing multiple contact options, such as your phone number, email address, and even social media handles, can enhance customer convenience and accessibility. Remember, by optimizing your lead form with these relevant elements, you can effectively capture leads, nurture customer relationships, and ultimately increase sales for your auto repair shop. As an auto repair shop owner, your goal is to attract more customers and increase sales. It's crucial to implement effective strategies that can help you achieve this. One powerful approach is leveraging targeted advertising on platforms like Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, and Facebook Feed. By creating compelling ads that highlight your expertise and value proposition, you can capture the attention of potential customers and drive them to your shop. Imagine showcasing your shop's unique selling points, such as your experienced technicians, top-notch service, and competitive pricing. By highlighting these strengths in your ads, you'll stand out from the competition and attract customers who are seeking reliable auto repair services. It's important to optimize your ads for maximum impact. Utilize engaging visuals, compelling headlines, and concise yet persuasive ad copy to convey your message effectively. Consider including customer testimonials or before and after images to build trust and showcase your shop's successful track record. By running targeted ads on these platforms, you can reach a wider audience of car owners who may be actively seeking auto repair services. As a result, you'll increase your chances of converting potential customers into paying clients. Remember, the key to successful advertising lies in crafting compelling messages that resonate with your target audience. Put yourself in the shoes of car owners who may be experiencing car troubles or seeking regular maintenance. Address their pain points and offer solutions that demonstrate your shop's expertise and reliability. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to drop a comment below. As an auto repair shop owner, it's crucial to stay informed about effective advertising strategies that can drive more customers to your business. And if you'd rather not spend money on Facebook ads or if it seems too complicated, I have an exciting solution for you. Click the link in the comments below to book a call with our team. During the call, we'll provide a personalized demo of our game-changing software. For just $99 per month, our software brings in clients 24/7 without spending a dime on Facebook ads. Discover how our software can revolutionize your disability insurance agency by automating client acquisition and boosting your sales. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your business to the next level. Click the link in the comments below, book a call with our team, and see firsthand how our software can transform your customer base and revenue streams. Invest in the future of your disability insurance agency and let our software do the heavy lifting for you. Say goodbye to the complexities and costs of Facebook ads. Book your call now and unlock the potential of our clients on 100% autopilot software.